Hello everyone, welcome to the unboxing of the 2019 Samsung Galaxy Buds. If you are considering buying these highly rated earbuds, this video will show you exactly what's in the box. These are the latest generation of earbuds by Samsung with sound powered by AKG. Some of the key features of these earbuds are: there are 6 full hours of playtime, 7 hours with the charging case. They offer clear call and sound quality, wireless charging, and they were designed for comfort and stability. This is the charging base, which has both the left and right earbuds included inside. As far as what's in this box, this includes a set of wingtips. There's 3 sets of extra wingtips and 3 sets of extra earbuds as well. These are the wingtips and earbuds. So there's 3 sets of each of those. And then this is going to be the C-type USB USB type cable, which is this type of connection. And then your standard USB type connection on the other side. Also in the box is basically an instruction and quick start guide that Samsung includes with all their products. Quick start guide. These are both Android and iOS compatible. They offer ambient sound mode, which is only available for the Android setup. Voice command and Siri available for Android and iOS users. I am looking forward to using these for work, play, and also working out. And once I am able to thoroughly test the earphones, I will provide a comprehensive review. Please look forward to future videos, and if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.